Hello and welcome to Krista's So Crafty. Today is December 3rd and it is our third day of opening one of our advent calendar boxes. What did you think of the last two videos? I thought they were pretty good. I was impressed with the paints and I think the card turned out pretty good considering. Anyways, cheers. Peppermint tea for me. So we need to find number 3 on here, and I don't even know where it is. So let's have a peek and see if we can find it. And maybe it's one of these little ones. Where's the number? Oh, it's in the middle. 2014. Best is back here. 15, 19, 22. Oh, good grief. It's this one right back here. So, little tiny box. All right, let's open it up and see what's in here. Ooh. So, they are, oh wow, acrylic markers. So there's like a peachy color. You can kind of see on there. That, and then there's a blue, looks like almost like a, not a navy blue, but a, I don't know, a blue. Very nice. I don't know if I have any paper in here. Oh, look at, I do. I have a notepad. Let's see. They're very nice. They have a thicker tip to them. Writes very nice. Krista's So, hang on, here we go. So the blue one seems to have a bit more, what, juice to it? What do I mean by that? Look at the difference in the writing. The coral or the peachy color is a little bit, it's not quite as thick, even though they look the same. Maybe it doesn't have as much liquid in it. I'm not sure, but they're nice markers. So this is going to be a very short and sweet video because I don't even know what I would do with these. I mean, I can think of lots of things to do with them, but not a craft, like a whole craft just with these two. As for my take on these, I think they're nice and I will definitely use them in my craft room. And I wonder if they would fit in my Cricut. Probably not. If I had the adapter, you can buy little adapters so you can put different pens in your Cricut. I don't, maybe I do have them. I'm not sure. But anyways, they might be able to go in there, or we can just use them on different cards. Very nice. I like them. So I'm going to fold this back up and put this in here. I'll keep the markers out and I'll put this back in here. And so that was day 3 of our advent calendar. Just a short and sweet little, that's it. Oh, here comes my tux. Hi, buddy. Come here. You gonna come say hi? Come on, up. No, not gonna come up. There, can you see him? Yeah, you can see him. I just got home from work a little while ago, so he was missing me today, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. Such a good boy. Oh, give me the hugs. You see his paw? Yeah. This is how he gives hugs all the time. He puts his paw up. Oh, yes, I know. You're a good boy. Thank you again for joining me today on Krista's So Crafty. If you enjoyed this type of video, I will put a link to the playlist for all the rest of the openings, and you can look at them at your leisure. So thank you again and happy crafting. Say bye.